Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to fix 2024-01 security update error, then let's look at the solutions. So the first solution would be is to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. We do that by right clicking on the start button, going to settings, and we will click on system, scroll down for troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we click on the run button corresponding to the Windows Update panel. Next, we would do a disk cleanup. So we click on disk cleanup, click OK. We'll check the boxes, all the boxes here, and we'll click on OK. Delete files, and this should resolve the error. If nothing else works, then we need to restart or start the relevant Windows services. To do that, we need to go to services, click on it. First, we look for the Windows Update service. So Windows Update service. There you go. There it is. Right click and click on restart. The next service that you would look at is the background intelligent transfer service. So right click on it and start it. The other service that we would be interested in is the cryptographic service. There you go. Right click on it and we can click on restart. Yes, and it will restart all these three services. And this error should be resolved. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.